there's a difference between apps and the web. I feel like apps are a bubble in a sense, even though I love them, but the web is not a bubble. And the reason I say that is apps have taken advantage of, in kind of a science project-y way, of special capabilities, optimizing for what you could do mobile, optimizing for special hardware, optimizing the UI for different form factors. The web can't do all that, and that's why I and many people rely on apps when I'm out in mobile. But I think in 5 years' time, the apps bubble will burst because it lacks some of the fundamental things that the web still has, and that's standards. And at some point, apps will emerge from the science project-y phase to some degree, 5 years, 10 years from now, something like that, and we'll have standards that allow us to do those kind of things, to make the same kind of optimizations that we're familiar with today on the hardware, without having to be bottled up in little silos, incompatible with each other, simply because of the lack of standards. So I don't think most people are going to notice the bursting of the apps bubble, because they're going to just continue to use the functionality they're used to on some convergence of what we know as the web and what we know as apps and what we know of whatever else is going to surprise us in the next 10 years.